Today I am going to show you how to do swipe animation in Canva. So first of all, go on Canva and add your images here, like I am choosing pizza, and adjust this. After adjusting, go on elements, choose circle shape and add this in middle. And now go on uploads, add your second image here, like I am adding Burj Khalifa. Now adjust this and now add your third image, adjust this and add your last image. You have to add 4 images here. Adjust this. I am adjusting. Okay, so now I have completed adjusting. Now download this and remove the circle and do a transparent background, and now download. Okay, so after downloading, add your image here and now go on the text, choose the text and add here the building names, like first is pizza, so I am adding, and now adjust this by yourself. Now change the color of your text to white, and now duplicate this, rotate this. Okay, so add names of opposite, like this is a Burj Khalifa, so I will add Burj Khalifa on Big Ben, and I will add Big Ben on the top of Burj Khalifa. Okay, so first of all I am adding Eiffel here. Okay, here is Eiffel. And now again duplicate this. And now add right to Burj Khalifa here. Right Burj Khalifa. Adjust this. And now remove the buildings, because our color is white, so that's why this is not visible. So now download this as transparent background. Okay, so I have downloaded. Now add this to your upload section. Now add the building images here. And remove the text that you have added before, like pizza, equal. Remove this text and now adjust the buildings. Adjust the buildings and now add the text. Adjust the text by all the buildings. Change the background color. Okay, so you can select any background and now adjust the text to all buildings. Okay, so now group this and now adjust this as one building in one page, like on the top this is the pizza. First of all add pizza in first page, increase the size. You have to add a video section. So like here is my video section. I have added pizza here. And now duplicate the page. Now rotate this to the next building. In the next, here is a Burj Khalifa. Adjust this. And now ungroup this. Select the text section and add Burj Khalifa here. Okay. Here is a Burj Khalifa text. Add this here. Change the background color. Duplicate the page again. And now we rotate this to the next building. Like next text is equal. So we have to add here next building equal. Now adjust this image. Duplicate the page and now add the next text. Now rotate the building, add the next building. So this is the Big Ben. Adjust this. And now add the transition between two pages. Much and move. Increase our duration, sorry. So here is a final result. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel to learn more about Canva.